In 1999, The Matrix defined our cultural anxiety, the idea that humanity was trapped inside a silicon-based computer server. Philosopher Nick Bostrom later formalized this, suggesting that advanced civilizations would inevitably run digital simulations of their history and ancestors. But this digital theory is rooted in 1990s technology, racks of servers, tangled cables, and physical hard drives. We have been looking for a simulation built from computer chips, but we may have missed the real architecture entirely. The Sovereign Inception Model, or OSIM, posits that our reality is an advanced biological simulation run in a cosmic laboratory. This theory is gaining traction as AI begins mapping millions of complex protein structures, bridging the gap between organic life and programmable data. In laboratories today, scientists are already writing biological code, creating artificial cells and editing genetic sequences from scratch. If human researchers can execute biological programs in a lab, we have to consider who might have written the code that governs us. Human DNA functions as a high-density data storage system, carrying instructions in a language far more efficient than binary. Researchers have already encoded and retrieved digital videos and entire books directly from synthetic DNA sequences. CRISPR, a technology that acts like a pair of molecular scissors to rewrite genetic code, earned Jennifer Doudna the Nobel Prize, giving us a literal text editor for biological data. We now use devices to sequence and scan this code in real time, hacking our own biology. This aligns with information physics, the theory that at the quantum level, physical matter resolves into pure data. Our bodies mirror computer hardware architecture, constructed with carbon instead of silicon. Beyond physical hardware, we see evidence of behavioral programming, knowledge that exists in animals without any prior learning. A newly hatched sea turtle immediately knows how to navigate across the sand into the ocean. These innate instincts function as pre-installed software, hard-coded into biological memory before birth. Autonomous genetic behaviors suggest that biological avatars are executing pre-written cosmic scripts. If the body is hardware and instincts are firmware, we must account for the source of consciousness itself. Some theories suggest the human brain does not generate consciousness, but acts as a highly tuned biological antenna. Nobel laureate Roger Penrose co-authored the Orch-Orr theory to explain the quantum mechanism behind this reception. Microtubules, microscopic structural filaments inside our brain cells, are where these quantum processes occur. These colored regions highlight the receptor zones where a consciousness signal interacts with the physical cellular architecture. This frames human existence as a series of biological drones piloted by a signal broadcasted from outside the physical universe. This raises a difficult question. Are we merely NPCs following a rigid script, or do we possess free will? The OSIM model suggests we have sovereign access, the ability to hack our own programming. Through epigenetics, the study of how environmental factors change gene expression without altering the DNA sequence, we can physically change how our avatar functions. Trauma, lifestyle choices, and conscious thought patterns provide the data inputs that trigger these biological shifts. This suggests consciousness is an active developer capable of rewriting its host avatar's code. This planetary simulation requires an architect, perhaps highly evolved humans from the future, or a cosmic AI. Earth functions as a closed system incubator, a planetary-scale lab designed to iterate and evolve biological code. Existing within a biological simulation suggests that life is a sophisticated technological achievement. Under the OSIM model, life is viewed as an advanced biotechnology, carefully curated across eons. The theory suggests that our physical forms are simply temporary biological hosts, designed for a much larger cosmic narrative. If your consciousness is software downloaded into a biological avatar, where do you go when the game is over?